Hello, little coders! Today we are learning a super cool programming idea called encapsulation.
Just like the capsule outer shield protects the capsule powder from the outside world, just like the candy box protects the candies, in programming also we hide data so that they are safe. Think of the box itself like a class. The data are the candies. The action here is take candy as a method. The box keeps everything organized.
Hello, friend! Inside the robot are wires and electronics, but we don't touch them. We only press the buttons.
You must open the box first. The box protects what is inside.
That's called encapsulation.
Cannot grab the candies directly. You must use a function to get one. Just like this. Well done!
Great job, little coder. You just learned encapsulation in Python. See you in the next coding adventure.